Welcome to a tour of Edmit. In this video series, I'm going to show you how to create an Edmit account, as well as use some of our basic features. When you're ready to go, click Get Started. On this page here, we're going to first ask for your name, email address, and for you to set a password. I'm going to go ahead and put in my information now. When you're all set with that, scroll down to the bottom and click Next. The next page will ask if we're a student or a parent. For the purpose of the demonstration today, I'm going to select Student. Below that, there's a spot where you can enter an email address for a parent or guardian to share your Edmit account. If you're a parent signing up, you can use this field to enter your student's email address. This is a great way to stay on the same page, especially in regards to college finance and some of the more difficult conversations. The next page will ask a little bit about your academic record. I'm first going to put in a high school, graduation year, and then my GPA. If you don't know your GPA, that's totally alright. You can click Fill Below with averages, and we'll put in the national average GPA and test score. One thing worth noting, Edmit is fully test optional, meaning there's no requirement to put in the SAT, ACT, or PSAT score to enter. Additionally, we have an article here about inputting your GPA in a 4.0 scale, even if your GPA at your school isn't listed on a 4.0 scale. The next page will ask a little bit about your family, starting with home zip code, and then some family financial information. One thing worth noting is Edmit is highly secure. We use the same encryption technology as some banks and financial institutions. We know how seriously students and families take this data, and we want to take it seriously to match that expectation. We can then go ahead and click Next. The next step is to pick a college we want to look at first. This can be a college you're planning on applying to, or a college you may have already applied to. I'm going to select University of Richmond. It's one of 71 schools in the United States that meets 100% of financial need. We're almost done. This step here will ask which stage we want to start in. For seniors, we're in stage 5, where we're getting our award letters back from schools and comparing our financial aid offers. I'm going to leave myself in stage 5 and click Go to my dashboard. The very last step here is to click Go to the micro course when you get to the dashboard. That will send you an email invite to our online course, where you can learn a lot more about the college financial process in depth. This is the Edmit dashboard, the home base for the college financial process, with some stage-based content right on top. Here I'll walk you through just a sample of the content. The next place we'll go is the profile page. The profile page is a chance for you to enter and change any of that information we entered during sign-up. For example, if your GPA goes up or down, you can update it here in Edmit. Additionally, if you get your test scores back, you can always add those. Below that, there's a spot for intended major. So if you think you know what you want to study, you can enter that here. Keep in mind, you're never locked into a certain major, so no pressure. I'm going to put in computer science as an example. Below that is a spot for expected family contribution. If you're a senior, you fill that FAFSA, and you've received your student aid report, you can put in your EFC here. Below that, the only other field that wasn't included in sign up is scholarships. Now this will be the total scholarship amount you've received for 4 years. So for example, if you've received a $500 per year scholarship, you're going to enter $2,000. The most important thing I can share here is make sure you click Save. That way all of your information will be up to date and individualized to you. I'll now take us back to the dashboard where we can get ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.